Introducing Demi. Demi is our new style of golden brown blended with deep honey blonde and pale beige blonde. This colour is uniquely designed by UniWigs and has salon quality blending of shades. Demi is made from 100% Virgin Remy Human hair, which can be curled, straightened or blow dried with heat just like your own hair. The front lace measures 13 inches ear to ear and 5 inches from front to back. This area is completely hand tied and you can make the hair parting anywhere. The elastic neck cap in the back feels soft and has a comfortable fit. Demi has 150% hair density. Compared to the normal 130%, 150% density offers you thicker and fuller hair. Whether you are experiencing hair loss or just want a new look, Demi is for you. Perfectly blended colour, healthy hair, a comfortable cap and a natural looking hairline. Demi truly has it all.